Hello everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to make spicy peanuts brittle. I am Rosie and you are welcome to my kitchen. With me here, I have some raw peanuts, which I'm going to be roasting before using it. In a pan, I'll add in about 2 tablespoons of salt. Add the raw peanuts and keep stirring it until the peanuts are toasted. You can also use sand or gari as base, or you can also roast your peanuts in the oven. Don't be scared of the salt. The salt is not going to get into the peanuts. It's just going to be seasoned a little bit. And I will check to see if the peanuts are ready. At this point, it's not ready, so I will keep stirring. Again, I will check, and at this point, the peanuts are ready and the skin can easily go off. Transfer the roasted peanut into a strainer and shake out the salt. And use your hand to rub the peanut so the skin can go off. I will take this peanut outside to clean the peanuts and I will be right back. So here the peanuts are clean already. I have sugar, dried pepper, ginger powder, butter. I will start by crushing the peanuts, adding the peanut into a food processor. Cover and crush the peanuts. It doesn't need to be smooth, but just crush it a little bit. And you can also use a rolling pin or use something to hit it and you achieve the same result. And that is done. So this is what it looks like. Like so. In a pot, add in the sugar and stir it until the sugar is melted, and melt the sugar on a medium to low heat. Add in the crushed roasted peanuts. Add the ginger. Add pepper, the butter, and stir it until everything is well combined. At this point, you can reduce the heat to a very low heat. And once that is done, transfer it into a work surface and flatten it out. You can use a rolling pin. At this point, you want to work very fast because once the peanut gets cold, it's going to be very hard for you to cut. Once that is done, I will trim off the rough edges, and I'm going to save those ones. I'll be eating those ones as well. And cut to your desired sizes and shapes. If you don't like it spicy, you can skip the pepper and the ginger. Peanut brittlles are one of my favorite snacks. I used to eat this a lot growing up. I make them myself and I buy them as well. Up till now, I cannot resist these snacks because it's very, very delicious. And I want to say a big thank you to my new and my old subscribers. Thank you all so much. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. And also put on the notification bell so you get notified each time I upload any new video. And that is done. Allow them to cool down completely before packing it. So once it's well cooled, transfer them into an airtight container. You can also wrap this with a plastic wrap or a paper wrap. Cover and then keep it, and these snacks can last for months. They are ready. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Remain blessed, and I will see you in my next video.